Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'm SB Mitch. Social stuff. Subscribe too. That's the other thing. I couldn't think of the word. And that's really it. Hello, pals. Hey, we're doing a different company this week. Can you believe it?
No.
Neither can I. This box comes to us from 2KICXS, which is a shop, or no, it's an online shop based in Wisconsin. They do mystery boxes, not at nearly the capacity that Soul Supremacy does, but the company is run by a really, really good guy named Nate. I've actually gotten one before, and just to kind of show you the 2KICXS mystery box deal, we're gonna be doing the next box recap series on the very first 2KICXS box I got. The purpose of these boxes are long holds. These are not quick flip boxes. You buy them and you sit on them for months because he sells the boxes basically at market for newer shoes that have just come out, so you have to wait a little bit for them to go. I know the first box I got took almost a year to get all the way through, but the return was really good, so we'll do the box recap on that one next Monday. But for now, let's open up this box. That's clearance to tell us how much the value is worth right now. But keep that in mind, that the current value is not going to be what the actual profit on this box will be because it is a long-term hold. So let's see what's in here. Another nice thing about 2KICXS boxes is a lot of them are dead stock. He does worn every once in a while, but it's always really lightly worn shoes, so very, very good. Let's see what's going on in here. All right, first pair out. This is a very lightly worn pair of shoes in a size US men's 11. The gold toe 1 lows, which is very good. This is mostly patent. I think it's actually all patent, come to think of it. Yes, all patent, but it's got a canvas tongue. You can see the outsole wear is very minimal. That's the kind of stuff you want to get when you get worn shoes. It's very minimal wear, hardly any heel drag, no star loss. You can see full jump man on the insole. This just needs a really, really quick cleanup. So that's good. There's a little bit of creasing on the toe box, but again, patent leather shoe. There's gonna be creasing all over the place because that's what happens. Size 11, gold toe 1 lows. Those are gonna be on the website, sbmitch.com. Check it out, 6 p.m. today. Most of the shoes probably aren't gonna be on the website. I will say that because it's gonna take a little bit for these to actually gain some value. Air Force 1 07 LX in a US men's 7.5. Oh, look at that. We got a Have a Nike Day bag, so you know which colorway this is gonna be. Pretty recent release. This is the kind of stuff you're gonna get in these boxes, recent releases. This is the pink with the rose on the midsole. This is a very, very cool colorway and a very, very good looking shoe. All pink upper, a white midsole, white outsole, a little bit of just, you know, a little bit of kind of custom feel to it. Tongue is very cool. It's got Nike all over it, which is pretty awesome. Box is in good shape. It's a size 7.5. I don't know what the current value on these are, but this is probably a long-term hold. Very cool. Size 7.5. Air Force 1. Cool. Looks like there's 4 more in here. Good stuff too. Let's get this Adidas out of the way. Size 9, 700. It says it's a V2. Ah, these ones. These I don't mind. Again, a dead stock pair. This is the Hospital Blue 700 V2. Very cool colorway. I don't know why it's called Hospital Blue unless it's like, this is like scrub colors maybe or something like that. I mean scrubs like scrubs that people in the medical field wear. But yeah, very cool silhouette. I got a 700 V2 recently in a box, and this is just a really cool looking shoe. So size 9, dead stock pair, 700 V2, Hospital Blue. I would not be surprised if all the rest of the shoes in this box are dead stock, which is very, very good. You will never hear me complain about that. Let's see what this is. Size 11, Jordan 1 Retro High. Oh, these things. This is a little bit older pair. These are worn, but they're in good shape. I think these are called like silver metal Jordan 1s. Very, very good colorway. Silver swoosh, red and white in that classic Jordan color blocking. The only thing that's really weird is the outsole is white along with a white midsole, but they're cleaned up. They're in good shape. There's a little bit of discoloration, probably from wear. These probably don't need to be cleaned up very well, but I'll give them a shot anyway. But a little bit of creasing. There is insole wear. These smell disinfected, which is really cool. Good size too. Size 11, silver metal Jordan 1s in very lightly worn condition. These will be on the website. I will tell you that. Cool. Got a Stussy Nike collab. Air Zoom Spiridon Stussy collaboration. This size men's 12. No, these are worn. These are lightly worn. Wow, these are really clean. Stussy Zoom Spiridon something. These probably don't have a super good amount of value because it is a Spiridon. This cage thing around it is wild. I wonder if it glows in the dark. That would be interesting. But again, a worn pair, but they're super lightly worn. They're also cleaned up too, which is very cool. Air pocket, very cool. Huh, really weird looking shoe. Size 12. I don't know if it's a good size for this kind of thing either. There you go, size 12. Still see Air Zoom Spiridon. We got one more in here. Ah, look at that. It's the Undefeated collab from like last month or whatever. This is a size 11 Nike Dunk Low SP Undefeated collaboration. These are dead stock. It's these guys. I think it's a pretty cool looking shoe. I have another pair myself, which I am definitely not wearing because I am not a fan of brown. But this little hints of yellow on here are very cool. Quality on these is pretty good, especially for a dunk, but it's probably because it is a collaboration with Undefeated. It's got this like, it's not houndstooth, but it's got this like different pattern all around on the mud guard. Got the Undefeated branding on the heel there. It's got the Dunk vs. AF1 insole. This is just a cool looking shoe if you're into this kind of thing, which I am not. It is my size, definitely not keeping. But again, another shoe that you're probably gonna have to hold on to a little bit to get the maximum value out of it. So these will be hanging out in my storage room. That's your last pair, 1100. Size 11 Undefeated Nike Dunk Low. Interesting. And that is, I didn't even say how much the box was, did I? It's $750. So that's a $750, so $790 with shipping. 2KICKS mystery box. Let's see what the current numbers are. I mean, the value for these right now might not be great, but that's not how these boxes are designed. They're designed to be long-term holds. So if you're not a patient seller, this kind of box is not for you. If it is something you're interested in, check out 2KICKS, 2KICKS.com, at 2KICKS_shoes on Instagram, I think. The mystery boxes are, you can just buy them. I mean, when he has them in stock, he announces on Instagram when he has them in stock, so make sure to follow him on Instagram and turn on post notifications for stories because they do sell out pretty quick, but the no membership thing is very nice. So if you want to buy any of these shoes, some of them will be on the website. Not all of them, but some of them will be on the website. That website is sbmitch.com, and that time is 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll probably pull out some shoes from the storage room that I've been sitting on for a while and throw them up on the website too. If you clean your shoes and you want to save some money on your next Rejuvenator order, use my code SBMitch10. It saves you 10% on your entire order from Rejuvenator, which is pretty cool, I guess. Thanks again for watching. Remember to check out 2KICKS. It's a very good site ran by a very good dude. So that's all I got for you. Have a good weekend. We'll see you next time. Remember to take care of each other. Keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.